How to install iOS 14 launcher on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 14 launcher on Android. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So guys, what you have to do, simply click here on the Play Store here. You will get the Play Store on your device, and then on the search bar you have to write iOS 14 LAUNCHER. Now you have to simply tap here and then make sure to download this one, the second one. You have to see here 13 million plus 10 million plus download. So simply tap here and then the MB is 7.7 MB, you can see here, and the download rate is 10 million plus download. So you have to install this. So let me just install this now, and let me just show you how we can use this launcher. So guys, it's done. So let me just click on open option, and then this type of interface will be pop up on the screen. So just allow it, allow all the time, allow, and then let me just go back. Let me just click here, got it. So guys, you can see here my launcher has been changed. So this is something cool, iOS 14 launcher on my Android. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out to use the launcher. You can see here this is something cool. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.